Oh, dude, this girl in the middle. She's kinda wild. She's kinda wild. I love that crown taker. Oof. Oof, the hit on that. The kick swing around. Holy ass. She hit me with the blep too?
Welcome to my palace. Champagne in your chalice. Rolling around the world.
Go. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello. Bad Villain, so they obviously dropped these 2 spoiler films. Wait, I should probably do this. They dropped these 2 spoiler films before, and I didn't react to them because I was like, I want to wait until they're not just masked. For those who don't know, Bad Villain, of course, is the upcoming girl group under BPM, which will be the first, I don't know, like, from scratch group that BPM's debuting. Obviously, they have VIVIZ, formerly half of G-Friend. So Surface Soak. Why do we, chat? We can't just say Surface Soak. That's not what it's called. There's not enough for a deep dive, so I guess it's a Surface Soak. But yeah, first original from scratch girl group, or any group from BPM. BPM has Soloist and VIVIZ, or BBZ, and now, who I love, obviously. And now we have, apparently, Bad Villain. No, we're not doing every single... We're not doing every single, million. So one of the members is million, right? So that's why there's, like, a million dance videos. So we're gonna just do... So anyway, sorry. I got super sidetracked. Basically, I didn't watch anything. I kept up with the rumors, but I was like, if we just have the masked stuff, I want to wait until we get, like, the first content where they're not all wearing masks. Okay? That's gonna be my cutoff line, usually. Maybe if it's, like, you know, like a big 3 girl group or a big 4 group or something. Is it big 4? I don't know. Ask the Death Cult. Ask the Shamans. But yeah, so I generally will probably wait until there's something more substantial, which just dropped today. So, yeah. Let's go. I'm very excited. We're just gonna watch the intro clip with the silhouettes, and then the 2 spoiler films, which I think are, like, parts of the song, the same song, and then the hurricane thing that dropped today. And then we will look at maybe some other stuff. So, here we go, chat. Lock in. Are we good? I think we're good. Lock in. Who are Bad Villain? Love the logo. Love the name, by the way. Ooh, the walk. Okay. We got some attitude. Red and black. There's a back. Ooh, we got an evil laugh. I love the logo, by the way. This is a very gamer logo. Okay? Chat, fun fact, you could probably tell on account of me having the Secret Labs chair. I'm a gamer, okay? Gamer with a capital G. Don't miss my E3 coverage. Yes, I'm still calling it E3. It's coming next month, and like 2 of you are excited about it. But anyway, yeah, I'm somewhat of a gamer myself, okay? So this is a very gamery logo. It reminds me of, like, Demonware. Their logo. Yeah, like the logo a lot. I like the logo a lot. We're just gonna hit the vibes on this. We're just gonna play it again. So interesting, now there's 7 members, and in this video there's only 6. Is that what you're saying? No, all good. I just waffled for 15 minutes. Like, we're only in the first video. Literally just watching the 20-second teaser right now. I just waffled about being a gamer. We listened to a Kendrick song. Like, we good. You didn't miss much. Yeah, I like the gamer vibes. I like the black and red. I like the little devil horns on the bad villain. It's sick. I like the aesthetic. I like the aesthetic. I'm excited. I see bunny ears. I mean, I'm excited. I mean, what? So, hey.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh. Yo, she's killing this. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Girl's popping off. I mean, we're all popping off, but. Again, the little evil. Again, the little evil giggle. Oh, are y'all just calling her Tiffany because the jersey says Tiffany on it? That's so good. Oh, dude, that head snapback is oof. Oof. Is your neck okay? That's crazy. Crown taker? Whoa, whoa, dude, that's not enough. Do they add the horns? No. Okay, you know what I wanted? You know what I was hoping would happen, chat? Is I was hoping that they just show the white and black bad villain, and then we get the evil giggle again, the demonic baby laugh again, and then we add the horns and it goes red. That they didn't full commit to the gamer, so I'm a little disappointed about that, but you know. That's what I was hoping would happen, but that seems too good to be true. This is fire, man. The flow is kinda nice. I assumed this was a cover, by the way. When people were talking about it, I had no idea this was some original shit. I just assumed it was like, you know, everyone does dance videos. But apparently this is a pre-release they're cooking. Love their logo. I love their logo, man. I love their logo. Crown taker. Oh, we got abs. Oh, we got abs. Oh, this another abs group? This another abs group, chat? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, I see some crazy definition going on. Oh, is it not actually them? I don't know. People said it was original. I don't know. I have no idea, yeah. Apparently it's not them, so maybe it is a cover. Whose song is that, chat? Anyway, we can get to it when we get there. I don't know. Anyway. Oh, if it's at the beginning of video 4, I'll get there. Okay. But I'm gonna talk about the abs first. Yo, I like the plane down a lot. That's hard. That's hard, man. That's hard. The string playing down is hard. Yo, the shoulders? They're doing crazy shit with their neck. Yo, what? By the way, why we crotch grab it? That's the second bit of the choreo that's like, whoa. We on some like hardcore hip hop grab, man. That's crazy. Damn, the abs. The gunshots. Oh, the taunt? The taunt into the... Yo, can you even... Wait, can you even... Wait. Is this a band choreo? We got the... Wait a minute. Can they even... Yo, if this is their song, good luck promoting it. I hope they have no plans to. But we just shooting people all over the place. Yo, that's crazy. Yo, that's Drake hiding right now. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. First of all, abs. We got some. I think there's 3 girls that are ripped. We got some crazy muscle definition. You got some crazy muscle definition on the abs. Hello, cores. But yeah, I love the vibe of this. They're doing a lot of like snapback, lean back type shit too, which is super cool. Oh, dude, this girl in the middle. She's kinda wild. She's kinda wild. Hold on. Like their lean back and popping stuff is really cool. Really cool. Really cool. Yeah, if you guys know who's who, but like, dude, am I seeing like veins? Holy shit. Holy shit, she's defined. Yo, miss, dude, the abs. Good lord. What's up, Misk? Yeah, daily streamer, don't worry about it. I stream every day. Good lord. Oh, man. All right. Dude, the gun stuff. I wasn't ready for like if this is a song they're gonna perform. Yeah, whoever's in the middle has me on abs alone. Like, attention gathered. Attention gathered. But yeah, dude, all the gun stuff is crazy. Like the shots in the song, and then like all the like really percussive popping, and then obviously, you know, we waving these all around. Yeah, apparently this is an abs group too. Okay. So this, yeah, let's read the credits. So this is, I think, like the full version of whatever we were just listening to. It's called Hurricane. Bad Villain Performance Video 1. Performance director, we got lyrics credits. Do I know anyone? I don't know who Buffo Babas is. Recorded by Min Sung-soo at BPM Studio. Mixed by Stay Tuned. Mastered by... I can't read the name. Interesting. So it's original material, but it's either just a demo or maybe it's another unreleased song. So, cool. So this is a minute 30. We're getting a bit more substantial here, chat. Let me take a drink. Let's take a swig of the water. So in this group, we have a girl named Emma, who people are hyped about. I think she was on Street Woman Fighter? Is that correct, chat? Or is she on Street Girls Fighter? No, you said she's 24, right? So probably Street Woman Fighter. And then there's obviously Inhae and Yunso from MTG, who are now 20 and 19, because it's been 2 years. The MTG hype train is rolling along. Alright, Hurricane.
Hey, yeah. 말보단 행동, 샵해가 맥도 I take off. 내분의 애교쟁이 rappers, 잔챙이들이 쓸어버린 echo. Crown taker, coming out the.
I love that crown taker. Oof, oof, the hit on that.
rappers, 잔챙이들이 쓸어버린 echo.
The kick swing around. Holy ass. She hit me with the blep too? She hit me with the blep too? Wow, the drop is sick.
My flag red black ocean. My plans 전망이 sunshine. My back up 쟁이 녀석들은 모두.
Oof. Ooh, the flex though. Yo, we're very powerful. Interestingly, this choreo and the facial expressions and everything are very, very in your face, very aggro, almost masculine. Not that women can't be aggro or in your face, but like the like biceps flex is a very masculine pose for choreo. It's interesting. So we a hip hop. We're doing hip hop ish. That's what we're doing. I love that synth in the back. I hope this is a song they end up releasing. Dude, the hip isolation, by the way. That like almost taunting, like shimmy back. That drop is so good. Good camera work on that too. Not sure about this. I definitely like that camera work more than this weird transition zooming out of the arm with a color filter, but whatever, we move. It's kind of weird, but... A little bit of tutting going on. Ooh, the tutting into the explode backwards is cool.
I'm crazier than crazy one, you know that I'm different, like alien, a mood than a not
Oh, the talking. I like that. God, the abs. Forgive me, chat. I have a somewhat one-track mind, okay? I am an abs aficionado. Oh, Lord. That's crazy. We got some abs. This is an abs group. Ooh, the like, that was so kinetic. The like bounce, like the shoulder bounce. No, she's crazy actually. Whoa. Whoa. Why did we drop the evil thing, by the way? Why is it just Bad Villain in white without the evil face now? Why did we drop the horns? The horns were sick. We added a member and dropped the devil horns? What did we do that for? Keep the devil horns. Keep the red and black. Maybe they were like, this is too gamer focused. We're dodging the hip-hop core audience by making this too gamery. Yeah, exactly. This looks like a logo for a team-based shooter. Let's not do that. Oh, it was sick though, but I'm a gamer, so. No, this is crazy, man. This is crazy. So who's who, chat? Pay attention. Let me actually read. So you're all saying Yunto is in all white with shorts. Emma has bangs, white outfit, long sleeve. And then other abs girl in hay. Right. Yeah, let's see if I can... we're gonna watch this again, obviously. This choreo's fire. The song, I really hope, is their song, and I hope they record a version of it. Because this is crazy, frankly.
Hey.
This instrumental goes stupid. I love that turn together, by the way.
Hey. Yeah. 말보단 행동, 샵해가 맥도 I take off. 내분의 애교쟁이 rappers, 잔챙이들이 쓸어버린 echo.
So y'all are saying this is Emma that does the kick right here. Long sleeve, bangs, crazy abs. Is Emma? Yeah. Dude, that kick, chest roll, and then the really smooth, like, hip circle is... Yo. Yo, that's a crazy sequence, and she hit me with the blep. That was just for me, chat. That was specifically for me. Don't worry, Emma, I'm here. Oof, that smooth drop into the hair flip? Now we're back to Emma here, right? No, that's Emma. Wait. This is somebody else, right? I think I'm trolling. Yo, what's up, Black A? Thank you for the gifted sub to Nicholas. Thank you. Much love, my friend. That is 70. You are crazy. It's still Emma, just color graded. That's what I thought. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Much love, man. Appreciate it. We are experiencing yet another abs group. Yunso in the white with gray leg warmers. Yeah, rip. Yo, the tutting into this throw back to arms is crazy. Yunso is so pretty. Abs aside, girl is just gorgeous. I done forgot. Oh, Inhei. That's Inhei. Right. I just swapped their names. I knew who I was talking about, chat, but I just swapped the names. No, I would love it if their music is like this. Please. Please give me an album of this. Yo, the walk, though. The walk up and turn? The walk up and turn is crazy. I'm missing my devil horns on this Bad Villain logo, by the way. I'm missing my devil horns. This is a banger, man. Crazy performance, crazy dancing. We got some crazy facial expressions, too. Crazy abs. Great. This is an abs group, chat. Ooh, this is an abs group. Yeah, I'm sure it's a B-side if they're, like, leading with it like this. So, okay. So, we don't know who Converse Girl is, so we know... Right, we know Emma. Okay. And then we know Inhei. And then you guys said Yunso with the gray leg warmer, so in the back here. On the left, yeah. On the left, yeah. Yeah, this is fire. This is fire. I love this vibe. I love how intense this is. Love that pose. Yeah, Inhei's crazy. We're all eating this choreo, though. Damn, the walk up. The pose. That's crazy. That's crazy, chat. That's crazy. I mean, the ages are that we know are good so far. 24, 18, 19, right? So hopefully it stays relatively, I mean, hopefully it stays above that total, but at least close to that. 24, 2019, right. No, that's even better. That's great. We love to see it. Debut adults. Let's go. Yeah, it's fire, man. It's fire. That's fire. Tis a banger. Tis a banger. I hope that's a real song that they end up recording a version of. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. That Emma girl has abs for days. That's okay. This one was a different song though, right? So did they tease 2 songs? Or do people recognize this as a cover as well? Because this is completely different, right? Like, this is something completely... This gunshot song. God, this performance video is nuts. If anyone knows where this instrumental is from... Dude, the abs. I love this vibe too. Kind of hope that's part of the song too. This vibe that they're setting up is crazy. Their music better sound like this. This vibe is crazy. This vibe is crazy. Wow. Okay. Yeah, that's cool, man. That's cool, man. Thank you so much to all of my wonderful patrons, with special appreciation going to Daniel Rains, Muse Ribbons, Lucky7 Jen, Atsushi Ray H, Mushroomy, Bob, Dominic, and Viz.